Yes, welcome back to my channel. This is Ariel Ferrer Vlog. Okay guys, gagawa tayo ngayon ng pansit gisado. Dahil ngayon ay birthday ni Princess Bella. Alright guys, gagawa tayo ng pansit gisado ngayon guys. Okay, unang bawang nilagay ngayon. Nilagyan tayo ng onion. At saka yun, kasama na natin pang sahog guys ang ating wings. Chicken wings guys. Alright, yan, madalian lang naman tayo guys. Gawin natin ng yan, lagyan natin ng toyo. Yan, gisang-gisa lang guys. Okay, pabilisan lang to guys. Yan, pagkatapos lagyan natin ng konting carrots. Ayan, pagkatapos ng carrots, yes. Yan, okay, hukay-hukay lang guys. Hukay-hukay hanggat malambot na ang gisa. Lagyan natin ng yan, ground pepper. Yan, para mas maanghang ng konti. Alright guys, sahog ng yan, chili. Parang wings. Yan, lagyan natin konting tubig. Yan, okay. Yan, hukay-hukay pa rin guys hanggat lumambot. Okay. Yan, lagyan natin ng cabbage. Okay, may konting spinach. Yan, cabbage at spinach. Hukay-hukay. Pabilisan lang to guys. Yan, kasi gutom na po kami. Yan. Yan lang for long life. Pansit gisado. Alright. Yan, nilagyan natin ng bihon. Yan, okay. Hukay pa rin ng hukay. Yan, ito ang special gisado. Dahil birthday ni Princess Bella. Lagyan natin ng yan, kanton guys. Yan, okay. Nilagyan natin ng kanton, bihon at kanton guys. Para mas masarap yan. Bihon gisado, may kasamang kanton guys. Alright. Yes, yan. Malapit na maluto. Sige lang, pabilisan lang to guys. So tingnan nyo guys, wow, ang sarap ng Pinoy pansit gisado. Yan, na may sahog na wings, chicken wings. Yan, alright, pang bilisan challenge lang to guys, kaya walang ibang sahog guys. Ayaw nila ng yan, ayaw nila ng shrimp, kahit ano pa yan lang ang pangsahog natin guys. Napakasarap. Tingnan nyo guys, ang sarap ng pansit gisado. Okay, lagyan natin ng toppings ng chicharon. Yan, yan, nilagyan natin ng chicharon guys na napakasarap. Yan, para mas lalong sasarap. Right, yan, okay. Yan, yan, hukay-hukay. Okay, tapos na guys. Yan ang finished product natin guys, ang Pinoy pansit gisado. Yan, okay, na may kasamang chicharon. Yan, okay. Yan, ang sarap ng ating pansit gisado. Nilagyan natin ng chicharon guys, para mas lalong masarap. Okay, yan, at binilihan natin ng chicken, whole chicken guys. Favorito na Bella. Yan ang Bella's cake guys. Yan, happy birthday, second birthday of Bella. Ayan, si Bella nakatayo na guys. O, tingnan mo guys, gustong-gusto nang kumain. Yan, happy birthday Bella. Yan, okay, si Ashley. Okay, yan, nakasuot sila ng Princess Snow White. Yan ang sinisimot-simot ni Bella ang kanyang cake. Yan, siya lang nasa table guys, dahil birthday niya ngayon. Tingnan nyo guys, okay. Yan ang kanyang cake. Vanilla ang kanyang cake guys, kasi bawal sila sa chocolate. Vanilla cake lang para sa aso. Yan, okay. Favorite niya ang chicken, lechon manok. Yan, second birthday ni Bella. Happy birthday. Ilang masunog ka. Oy, 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 oy. Oh, yan si Bella. Okay. Yan, okay. Wala kaming rice ngayon guys. Yan, dahil meron kaming pansit at saka sliced bread na lamang kami guys. Yan, at isang whole lechong manok. Favorite ni Bella at Ashley. Okay, right. Yan, nakaupo na si Bella. Nakatayo lang siya palagi. Yan, siya magbo-blow ng kanyang candle. Happy birthday, Bella. Yan, insert si Ashley. Alright guys, second birthday ni Bella. Yan, insert si Ashley guys, parang birthday din. April pa ang birthday ni Ashley. Happy birthday, okay? That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Happy birthday, Bella. Happy second birthday. Happy birthday, Bella. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Yan,
Wow.
happy birthday, Bella.
Oh
Bye.
my God.